Hello guys, welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make these tasty and delicious mincemeat samosa step by step. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned and enjoy my recipe. Ingredients to make samosa: you will need 1 kg of mincemeat, black pepper 1 teaspoon, curry powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, ginger garlic paste 1.5 tablespoon, salt to taste, garam masala 1 tablespoon, 1 cube of Maggi, 1 large sliced onion, a bit of coriander, 1 grated carrots, 1.5 lemon, and some samosa sheets. In a pot, put the mincemeat in and add the salt, garam masala, ginger garlic paste, black pepper, curry powder, and turmeric powder. Then add 1 Maggi cube, optional, to add an extra amazing taste to the meat, and mix everything well. Then squeeze 1.5 lemon, one at a time, and continue mixing the meat till all the ingredients are well blended with the meat. Let it cook till the mincemeat is well cooked and it's almost dry like this. When the mincemeat is well cooked, switch off the fire and add the grated carrots, sliced onions, and coriander, and mix everything well. Transfer the mincemeat in another bowl and let it cool down before folding the samosas. Once the meat has cooled down, I will use these types of samosa sheets. You can get them in a shop or a supermarket. I will cut them into 2 as you can see in the video, then cover the sheets immediately so that they don't become hard. Then start folding the samosa. I will use 3 of the sheets, but you can also use 2 according to the thickness of samosa you want. Attach them using a flour paste, which I mixed flour and water, and fold the sheets and put the meat in and fold it into a triangular shape as you can see in the video, step by step. Continue folding the rest of the samosa like this, then afterwards deep fry them. Pour the oil in a pan. Make sure the oil is not too hot, it has to be medium heat. Then dip the samosa in and fry them till golden brown. Shuffle them around so that they can bake on both sides to have a nice golden brown color. And when ready, remove the samosa from the oil and put them on a plate which has tissue so that the oil gets into the tissue. And my tasty mincemeat samosas are ready as you can see in the video. Serve on a plate with some tamarind sauce, ketchup, or a lemon, and enjoy your mincemeat samosas. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes on how to make these types of samosa, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.